Cops, what has so far been the creepiest call you've ever had? I responded to a report of an unresponsive infant. When I arrived, the family stood casually in the yard, pointing into the house. I found the baby in a back room on a bare mattress. I started CPR, but quickly realized she was likely deceased. We rushed her to the ambulance, hoping for a miracle. Later, I learned this was the mother's second child to die under suspicious circumstances, leading to the removal of her other children. At the ER, an RN handed me the swaddled infant and told me to wait for someone to take me to the morgue. In uniform, holding what looked like a living baby, people commented on how sweet it was to see an officer with a child. I smiled, but felt hollow inside. Eventually, I was taken to the morgue, where they placed her on a stainless steel gurney and left me alone. I waited for about an hour, grappling with the situation. When I got home, I lay on my bed and cried. My daughter was at daycare, and my wife was at work, making the house feel empty. My daughter was only slightly older than the infant, and I couldn't shake the haunting image of her. I didn't sleep before my next shift. Cops, what has so far been the creepiest